How to fix Instagram Notes music feature not showing. So all you have to do is to go here to your Instagram application and go to your messenger. So if you go here, you will see your notes there, right? Now if you tap on your note there, you must see a music icon there just under your profile. Now, if you do not have that feature, maybe it's because of two reasons. First is you haven't yet updated your application, and to do that, go to your App Store or your Play Store, depending on what device you have, and then go to Instagram. Now, here on Instagram, if you'll see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. Now, it's very important for you to actually update your application. It's because it's a newer version, and of course you can only avail the features once you update your application. Now if it still doesn't work, then the other reason is that it's not yet available in your country. So all you have to do is just take a screenshot here and then go back here and go to your settings. So go to your profile, and in the upper right you will see three dash lines there. Tap on that and then go to settings. Now under settings, what I want you to do next is to tap on help here and then report a problem, and then report a problem without shaking, and then include and continue here, and just briefly explain what happened or what's not working. So you have to put there, I do not have yet the Instagram Notes music feature, and then just attach your screenshot. And basically, that is how you fix Instagram Notes music feature not showing, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.